Center for Development of Advanced Computing, CDAC, a scientific society under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, MeitY, Government of India, is an organization creating innovative frontier technology solutions to address the grand challenges of the country, from socio-economic development to strategic sector to health sector. CDAC was established in 1988 as a response to the denial of supercomputers by the advanced nations, and thenceforth has been leading India in the domain with 57 supercomputing facilities established within the country and abroad. The National Supercomputing Mission, initiated by the Government of India, aims towards achieving the goal of attaining self-reliance in supercomputing. Under this initiative, CDAC has developed various key sub-assemblies required for building indigenous supercomputers. Vega series of microprocessors have been developed as part of the Microprocessor Development Program, a national mission by MeitY with the objective to indigenously design and develop microprocessors. A fully indigenous ecosystem is offered to meet various requirements of the strategic, industrial and commercial sectors. The development on RISC-V based processors are in the advanced stages, and the ARM-based processor for HPC OHM has kicked off. Another major product of indigenous build approach is Rudra Server Board for supercomputers, which CDAC has designed and developed as part of the National Supercomputing Mission. Rudra is set to revolutionize the Indian server industry apart from ensuring internal security. In a world where technology becomes the tool and weapon for the economic warfare, risking the sovereignty of countries as well as the safety of the citizens, CDAC endeavors to make India equipped to face such threats, such as the array of cyber security and cyber forensic solutions for secure, zero-threat communication and transactions, technologically arming the financial sector, strategic sector and law enforcement agencies. CDAC employs its 3.5 decades of pioneer experience in edge technologies of artificial intelligence, machine learning and big data to develop and deliver futuristic answers to countries' burgeoning needs and security concerns. Apart from these national initiatives, CDAC has been crafting technologies for boosting India's capability in multifaceted domains, thereby enhancing the quality of lives of the people. Emergency Response Support System (ERSS) guarantees 24/7 assistance in any kind of emergency with one single helpline number, 112, thereby warrants the safety of the citizens in any crisis. National Common Mobility Card and Intelligent Transport Management System ensures smooth transit in the cities, enriching living quality of the masses and contributing to smart city initiatives. Likewise, country's healthcare system has been tremendously enriched through a number of innovative initiatives like eSushrut Hospital Management Information System, eAushadhi, the Drug Supply Chain Management System, eRaktakosh, linking blood banks across the country, Akanksha, Modular Radiation Treatment Planning System, and eSanjeevani Telemedicine, which has connected doctors to citizens across India. A core strategy to realize the organizational goal of human advancement is the partnership with national and international academic and scientific communities, R&D organizations, government, startup ecosystem and industry. CDAC continues its pursuit of excellence, aspiring for a technologically empowered country with digitally empowered people.